Hello students, this is Vaibhavi, your teacher, and today we are going to learn goal, characteristics and factor affecting advantages and importance of research design. Goals of research design. Various social scientists like Black and Champion, Berger, Manningham have given the following goals. Functions of research design. 1. To provide blueprint. Just as a house builder faced numerous problems without blueprints of drawing and plans such as where to place foundation, how many rooms are to be constructed, what should be the size of rooms, what should be the size and location of door and windows, what materials and labor is required, and so on. Similarly, a researcher faces many problems without research design, such as what should be exact research title, what is the rationale of research, what is the scope of investigation, what should be the objectives of study, what concept and various are relevant, what should be hypothesis, how should be the sample design, which method of data collection and processing are to be used, what is the time frame and financial budget of research projects. Research design minimizes all these problems and streamlines the research activity through advanced planning. 2. To limit boundaries of research activities. In due consideration of time and resources available, the geographical limits, the number of hypotheses, the objective of research, the time span under investigation are strictly restricted. The problem of research is to be narrowed down. This is done only through proper research design. This is done only through proper research design to anticipate potential problem. Research design anticipated all sorts of contingent problem the researcher may face in the course of research and makes provision for same. 4. To accomplish the research objectives economically, research design guides and directs the research action in such a manner that the research objects are attained at minimum cost and time by avoiding duplication, irrelevant work and other wastages. It helps to us the resources to use the resources very effectively by avoiding errors and bias. 5. To streamline streamline research work. Research design work as an effective tool to coordinate the various research activities and offer systematic approach to research operation so that all steps are executed in right sequence. Characteristics of good research design. Every research design has its own strengths and weaknesses, and at the same time, there is no such thing as a single correct design. A good research design, however, should satisfy the following conditions. 1. Objectivity. A research design which minimizes the bias of investigations in collection of data, recording and evaluating of responses is considered good. This ensures the objectivity of collected data, which will be used for analysis, inferences, and generalizations. 2. Reliability. Reliability means consistency throughout a series of measurement. Research design should ensure cross verification of responses from respondents. There are different methods of determining the reliability of the responses given by respondent, such as using check items, administrating the same test repeatedly using a series of parallel forms, etc. Validity 3. Any measuring instrument is said to be valid when it measures what it purports to measure. For example, an intelligence test conducting for measuring intelligence should measure only intelligence in accurate manner and nothing else. There are several procedures for establishing the validity of test and measuring instruments. Some such procedures are validating the present data against concurrent criterion or a future criterion or a theory. A good research design should ensure the validity in measuring the responses. 4. Generalization. Research design should ensure that population of study is properly defined. The correct size of sample is drawn from population. Appropriate statistical analysis is employed so that generalization done on the basis of sample should be applicable to entire universe. 5. Economy. Research design is considered good if it can enable the accomplishment of research objectives with minimum cost, effort, and time. It should minimize wastage by eliminating duplication of work, unwanted and irrelevant work. It should make the entire research project cost efficient. 6. Minimum errors. The research design which minimize the errors of different kinds such as experimental errors, sampling error, error of measurement, etc. is considered sound. 7. Maximum output. The research design is considered ideal if it yields maximal information, enables multi-dimensional study of research problems, provides solutions to practical social and business problems, develops fine theories and adds substantially to the existing field of knowledge. 8. Flexibility. A good research design should be flexible enough to permit the consideration of additional aspects of phenomena in the course of research without much difficulty. It should not be rigid one. Factors affecting research design. Formulation of research design is influenced by the following factors. 1. Nature of research problem. 2. Scope of research project. 3. Availability of data and information about the research problem. 4. Source of data. 5. Skills, knowledge, ability and technical background of researcher. 6. Availability of time and funds. 7. Availability of human resource, that is enumerated expect technicians. 8. Impact of internal and external variable, controllable and uncontrollable variables on research phenomena. 9. Practical and theoretical worth of research. Advantages of preparing Research design. Research design stands for advanced planning of research activity in order to ensure optimal results. It facilitates the smooth sailing of the various research operations, making the research as efficient as possible. The advantages of research design can be stated as under: 1. Save time. Preparation of research design save a lot of time of the researcher, likely to be wasted in irrelevant and unwanted activity. 2. Resource planning. Research design enables resource planning and procurement in right time. 3. Systematic education. Research design directs researcher for execution of various tasks and activities of research in the most systematic manner. 4. Better documentation. It enables better documentation of the work while the project is in progress. 5. Time scheduling. It ensures the accomplishment of research tasks in time as per the schedule. 6. Builds confidence. Research design instilling and builds up confidence in the research team about the completion of research project as planned out. 7. Sense of success. It provides satisfaction and sense of success from beginning to the end of projects at every stage. Importance of research design. Often, research does not understand the importance of research design and start collecting and processing of data without preparing research design. In such case, he may come across as questions like: 1. What information is required? Second, which data is relevant and which is irrelevant? 3. How much data should be collected? 4. How to analyze the data obtained? 5. How to select a sample? What should be sample size? Unless these questions are answered in scientific manner, the research work cannot be accomplished satisfactorily. Sometimes the researcher may find himself in a state of total confusion and turmoil and may leave the research project in between. Thus, the research activity without proper research design will be haphazard without any guarantee of completion, even after wasting a lot of money and efforts. Hence, to avoid all such contingencies and to ensure the completion of research projects smoothly, efficiently within a given time frame, it is essential to prepare research design. Research design streamlines research process, makes optimum utilization of research resources, and guarantee the accomplishment of research goal within legitimate time, legitimate, legitimate time in efficient and economical manner. Research design, in fact, has a great bearing on the reliability of result arrived at and as such constitute a firm foundation of the entire edifice of research work. Thus, students, today we learn about goal, characteristics and factors affecting advantages and importance of research design. Thank you.